Hey everyone, today we will review X2-TWS, a separate wireless headsets. The headphones is an innovative product for each and everyone in today's world, and it has become the accessory to express your personal style. And fact is that when the headphones is on, the world is off. Alright guys, let's make a quick unboxing and review the device. Mini earphones, charging model, ear cups, charging connectors, charging cable, micro USB, user manual. When you're looking at these earbuds, the earbuds talking itself, look at this, very minimalistic here and offering very modern yet simply built certain understated elegance. Both earphones have one button to power and pair the earphones, charging connector and microphone. Super mini, it doesn't come out and looking very stylish. Only 3 gram weight and 20 mm length and 10 mm width, small invisible flashing light. You can use a single headset or both of them. Press the headset button for about 5 seconds to enter the pairing mode. The red and blue light will flash. At this point, turn on Bluetooth on phone and search for X2-TWS. After successful connection, the indicator light will be turned off. To pair both of them, 2 headphones in the shutdown state. Again, long press for about 5 seconds, red and blue lights will flash fast. Put 2 headphones close and wait for 3 seconds, 2 headphones will be automatically connected. And then open the Bluetooth mode, search for X2-TWS and connect. Now you have stereo earbuds ready for you. Receive the phone call by pressing the button. Very comfortable on the other side, they can hear you very well. Press the button to play, change or pause the music, and also Siri function for Apple users. The latest Bluetooth V4.2. Working range up to 10 meters on open air. 2.4 GHz frequency. 1600 mAh charger box. You can charge your earbuds up to 15 times, and also you can give some extra charge for your smartphone. The charging port, micro USB, Type-C and iPhone charger. Earbuds battery lifetime, it's about 2 hours. Charging time 1 hour. You can choose the earphones in 3 different colors, black, silver and rose gold. Detachable wireless stereo earphones. Tight and impactful bass. Not the best one I've heard, but when you listen to the music, these headphones delivering to you very smoothie and normalized sound quality. Nano 5 class waterproof. Multi-process closely designed earphones body. Effectively prevents sweat damage components, no fear of heavy rain. Receive the phone call, watch the movie, listen to the music. Connect 2 different types of Bluetooth devices. Definitely I will recommend these earbuds, and the price is just for $46 US. To see updated price, please click the link below. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and peace.